Hello friends, today I'll be making some dinner, some potatoes, keep it simple, an egg, maybe 2 eggs, and some hamburger meat. So yeah, stay tuned. Well, one thing I really like is this little skillet that I have. I bought this from Walmart. This thing heats up really fast. Sometimes a little too fast. This is Korean cooking oil. I have no idea what it says. Oh, premium canola oil. And just in case you're curious, I'm Chinese, not Korean. Although I've been accused of being Korean. A little garlic salt. Just a dash, some pepper, well, it looks like I'm getting close right now. They're starting to get nice and brown. Now that my pan is nice and warm, I'm going to put an egg on here. I'm not going to bother with the oil. What I learned is that when I cook an egg on this pan, it's better to do it when the pan is hot, because the egg doesn't run all over the place. So you can see the egg white is staying more or less in the square in one spot, which is nice. The first time I did this, I didn't know any better, and the egg white ran all over the place. So next up, I've got some ground bison meat. It looks like hamburger. What I have is Kraft original barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Now, if you're wondering, where's the vegetables? I had a big salad earlier today already. So I did get my leafy greens, a little more peppers. And there it is. Hamburger, an egg, and potato. Meat and potatoes. Now for my beverage, this is Kroger brand, 100% orange juice, home style with pulp. This is the best orange juice I've ever had in my entire life. super sweet. And I mean sweet in a natural way, in a good way. I'm going to wash my meal down with this. It's a good vitamin C boost, especially at this time with the virus going around as it is. And that's going to be it. See you in the next video.